Hey everyone, Karen Oxner with You Mortgage here with some awesome news and an awesome update from one of my VA clients. So, backstory, I have got a veteran client who is getting pre-approved for a home loan. We pulled his credit and there were all sorts of issues that came up that he actually wasn't even aware of. So I immediately referred him to my credit specialist, Ivory Becker with Insight Strategy. She's awesome. I'll tag her. And they set up a call. So she does, a free call with all of her new potential clients. She was actually able to give him enough information just for free to get those items removed, take his credit score from under 600, it was like in the 580s, to over 700 in less than 30 days. It was huge. It's going to change everything for this veteran and his family. I'm so excited. It was a great call, and he's really, really thrilled. So if you have any questions, need to do some credit work, want to get a great referral to a trusted partner, or if you're a veteran and need